Hello everyone and welcome to the video number 9 about HTML and CSS. And in this video we're gonna talk about how to give color to different elements. Wherever we can use a color, we have basically three ways to do it. So let me see if I had it open. The file that we have been using as an example. We're gonna continue using the heading 1 as our example, and actually we're gonna use the background. So let's go to the W3 schools. To learn HTML, you can use this or here. And here you can see HTML colors. So basically you can use a color name, an RGB value, or an hex value. So first, the color names, and here we can see 5 examples: the red, orange, yellow, cyan, I think that's how it's pronounced, I'm not sure, and the blue. So basically HTML, it tells us supports 140 standard color names. Let's click here, and here we can see the list, and we have the color name, the standard color name, and we can also see the hex value that refers to that same color. So let's use some of them, following a little the tutorial that I just made in Spanish. Let's show this one, blue violet, and go back here. Now you gotta write it exactly how it is shown here. If you put it, for example, like that, blue violet, might seem right, but well, it's actually working. I wonder why my tutorial in Spanish didn't work. Yeah. I think it's best if you do like blue violet. Then I guess I messed something else in the other tutorial. So let's go back, refresh, and yeah, well, we get the same result. We have some other funny names, like, let me see which one, this one, the floral white. So you can see the example here. It's kind of strange, but floral white. Okay, go back, refresh. Well, that's it. And well, here you can see you got a lot of different 140. Tomato, believe it or not, tomato is a color. Let's see how it looks like. Tomato. Well, doesn't look that ugly. Okay. Now the other thing we can do is use the RGB value. And this RGB stands for red, green, and blue, are the 3 lights. Let's say the red light, green light, and blue light, to create all the different other colors. Here we can see we have an example using the combination. This is completely red, 0 green, 0 blue. If we put everything in 0, it turns black. Obviously we can do the same for the green, the blue, and if you turn the 3 of them, you will get the white, and so on. So here you can see a few combinations. Only red and green gives you the yellow, only green. This, where we say this is like the cyan color, and then this is completely blue. And well, if you make equal the 3 sources of light, well, you will get a different range of or a different gray, different darkness of gray. Obviously, all of them in 0 gives you the black, and all of them in the highest value, 255, it's gonna give you the white. Let's just do one example here. erase this, and to write it we just need to say RGB, then put the parentheses, and we're gonna use, I don't know, 95 for the red, 150 for the green, and 222 for the blue. Let's save that, refresh, and well, that's the value we're getting, kind of like between gray and blue. And the other one is the hex value. It's called the hex or hexadecimal because, well, pretty much you can use a value that goes from 0 to the letter F. So it's from 0 to 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. So it's pretty much 16 values for each position. And there is 2 positions for the red, 2 positions for the green, 2 positions for the blue. And well, if you multiply 16 by 16, you're gonna get 256. I'm not exactly sure why is that different, that one extra. Instead of 255, you will have 255, but that's pretty much the relationship between the RGB. Here you can see it. And well, again, if you put the FF, it's gonna be just red. Then you can combine with the green and get the yellow, only green, the cyan, and only blue. And again, if you make like similar values, or I mean all the values the same, and by this I mean the red is 40, the green is 40, the blue is 40, and so on, you will get again different types of gray. And how to write this on the file? Well, let's just delete the RGB. You just have to put like a pound sign or a hash sign, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And let's use a pretty funny color, that one. So believe it or not, that color is named Fuchsia. I think that's the way you pronounce it. And here it is. So in my tutorial in Spanish, I have a very hard time trying to spell this out. Let me see how it goes this time. Just put Fuchsia, Fuchsia. I think. Okay, I got it right. So that's the same, the fuchsia or fuchsia color. So, well, there you go. You can experiment as much as you like. You can try using these 140 standard names. You can actually see here what's the hexadecimal value for them, or you can just go ahead and use the RGB. And well, those are I think the 3 basic ways to change color to our HTML documents. So, well, let's leave the video right here. As always, thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and see you on the next one.